We've talked about what makes something alive, how to group those living things, and even those strange viruses that sit on the fence between living and non-living. But today we are going to look at the bricks that build the house of life. Welcome to Lesson 4, the cell theory. The science. What is a cell? Imagine you are looking at a massive skyscraper. From far away, it looks like one solid object, but as you get closer, you see it is made of millions of individual bricks. In biology, those bricks are cells. The cell is the smallest unit of a living organism that can carry out all the processes of life. Remember Mr. Niger? But humans didn't always know this. It took centuries of curiosity and the invention of the microscope for us to discover this hidden world. 1. The forefathers of the cell theory. You must remember these four names and exactly what they contributed. 1. Robert Hooke, 1665. He was the pioneer. Using a very simple, primitive microscope, he looked at the thin slice of cork, dead plant bark. He saw tiny, empty compartments that looked like the small rooms where monks lived, called cells. So he gave them the name cells. 2. Félix Dujardin, 1835. Over 150 years later, Dujardin looked at living cells and realized they weren't empty. He discovered they were filled with a living, jelly-like substance which he called sarcode, what we now call protoplasm. 3. Matthias Schleiden, 1838. He was a German botanist, a plant scientist. After looking at thousands of plants, he concluded that all plants are made of cells. 4. Theodor Schwann, 1839. He was a German zoologist, an animal scientist. He concluded that all animals are made of cells.